Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to add text shadow using CSS. By the end of the video you will have this sort of output. As you can see, I got text here which is white in color and there is a shadow which is slightly pink in color. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we only need h1 element. Give it a text hello world. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select h1 element. Text align will be center. Font size will be around 100 pixels. Font color will be white. Now to add a text shadow, we'll use text shadow property here. Now text shadow property generally takes 4 values. The first is horizontal offset. So let's make it 5 pixels. Then the vertical offset, again make it 5 pixels. Then the blur radius, again keep it 5 pixels. Now the color. In this case, I'll go with light coral. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.